I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're not.
Hello. Is this working? Is this working? Hi, so you haven't seen me in a minute, but I kind of like this. I love this. I feel like to come back with a Skims drop, I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. It doesn't. So guys, Skims have sent me a lot of goodies. So I like already opened these and tried them on and everything. I am a fan, a lover of Skims, the team, the YouTube team, the IG team. They're so sweet. I'm wearing this top from Skims too that I purchased like, I want to say last year, and it's so weird because it just feels like a full circle moment. Let's just get into this haul because it speaks for itself. Come on. There's a couple sets, so I'm gonna just try on the sets first and all those goodies. So yeah, let's see what we got. I've already busted into this, guy, so I beat you before you could. First, we have these like really cute, cheeky boy shorts, which are like adorable, and then this long sleeve, really like fitted, long sleeve heather gray fitted top. So let's put this on with the bottoms. I'll be right back. When I tell you the fit of this, you can just walk around the house in this. Like, I swear, the heather gray long sleeve, like, it's just the material that does it for me. Like, the material is just so soft and comfy. Okay, so for the next thing, I'm gonna keep it kind of in the same category just because there's like a lot of grays and blacks and stuff like that. Next, we have actually their bralette, which is so soft. I think this is a part of their, let me see what collection. I can't remember if this is their cotton collection, like they're so soft cotton, but it just feels like you just got like a cloud on your body. So next we have their heather gray bralette, which is so pretty. Literally has with the matching boy shorts, and I mean, you can't tell me this is not eating, like, and it's so soft. It doesn't make me feel like I'm wearing a bra, if you know what I mean. Like, I don't know, I usually don't wear bras, so most of the times I get really uncomfortable when I am wearing one. All right, let's keep the good vibes going, should we? We have, I think that was the last gray that I have. I feel like I'm like just going through my goodie bags full of like Skims. Anyways, okay, so let's get to the black just because I wear black every day. It's literally a staple in my closet. And then this is also the bralette with it. So when I tell you the entire time of me putting this on, I was just like, oh, it's so soft. The material, it's like an elastic material, but it's not uncomfortable. It's very like smoothing, kind of like shapewear without the whole like shapewear vibe. Also, I feel like if you have like any, I don't know, if you just feel very uncomfortable in this area, I just feel like this would suck you in so much. And then the bralette is exactly the same material. I'm just obsessed with this. We have the black t-shirt. And so this, I've been wanting this on my list so bad just because I think it's like the perfect t-shirt. It just fits your body. It makes you look really snug and like fit. But, oh, and I just love black. Black eats, like it eats every time. Up next we have some cute, these aren't like boy shorts, these are more so like really cute cheeky underwear. And then I'm going to show you guys their long sleeve top. Basically like this same material, but instead it's a long sleeve and it's a bodysuit. These are the bottoms without the top. This is just still from the last bralette, so I wanted to show you guys how it looks by itself. So cheeky, literally the perfect material. This is the long sleeve black top. I paired it with some really cute cargo pants just because I would wear this with this. I couldn't find my mini skirt. I wanted to show you guys that like really cute outfit. This is the top, literally. It's the perfect long sleeve. I don't care what anybody says. Like, it's literally the perfect long sleeve. It just fits so good. I feel sad because we only have like a couple more pieces left and I'm a little sad. I didn't think it was gonna go this fast. So this is the brown bandeau set. This bandeau, when I tell you, I remember in high school I used to have like bandeaus that were so loose on me, but this one is like, you're not going anywhere. This is so pretty. I love the color. I just love chocolate on my skin. It's not a set, but I would put these together. I would wear these separately, but like this together is just so comfortable. So the next piece we have is this right here. She's the moment. I have nothing to say. I don't even need to, do I even need to say anything? Do I need to say more? Like the fit, the way it hugs. And I just want to apologize to this top. Because at first, when I first pulled it out, I was like, oh, like this is gonna like look weird, like it looks weird holding it up. I put it on, it is snatching in the right places. This, I mean, come on, the adjustable straps in the back, a really nice tank top. I'm just like, I am just in awe. I just never had a tank top like this that fits so well and like really just accentuates my top area, and then also like is really soft. I am shook. I'm literally actually shook right now. So cute, a classic. I mean, I just feel like it's a staple. It's a good staple. These shorts, I sleep with them all the time. Literally so, just, you can flip, just do so much with them. Triangle bras are really cute. The band is always very supportive and just makes me feel extremely comfortable. And also what I like to do with these, it came with a, crazy because they have another tank top that I love a lot. It's a little bit longer than the size of this tank top, and I like to wear that one just because, like, say if I do like any like shoots or like castings, it's really nice to have it like go all the way down. I don't know why, but this is the tank top with the triangle bra on, and I can show you guys without it, but it looks cool. It's like a cool little layer that we have going on. Sadly, that is the end of the haul, but I'm just so happy to be back, and like, this is not the last time you'll be seeing my face. I'm so happy that I came with Skims. I love the Skims team. I literally adore them, adore every single piece of clothing. I would not tell you guys to buy something if I wouldn't buy it myself. I literally bought multiple pieces from this brand, so I don't know, I just feel really grateful and just so happy to just have these pieces as well and just work with a beautiful team. So yeah, I love you guys. This is the end of the video, and